Hello. This video is about the heaviest animals in the world. Watch to the end and find out. Let's go. The polar bear with a weight of 800 kilograms is the first in this list of animals in the order of weight. The polar bear, which lives in the frozen regions of the North Pole, is one of the largest and heaviest land animals. These animals have transparent hair that looks white to human eyes. Under the fur of the polar bear is a black skin, and under the skin of this animal is a thick layer of fat. Can you imagine how this heavy animal walks in the Arctic ice? It is interesting to know that the big and furry feet of this animal make him spread his weight on the ice and walk easily. Also, the legs of this animal help him to swim. Sharp and strong teeth are one of the distinctive signs of a polar bear. An adult male polar bear can weigh up to 800 kilograms. It should be noted that the largest polar bear weighed more than 1 ton as climate change shrinks the polar ice caps. The polar bear's habitat shrinks and this animal species becomes extinct. Polar bears are of special importance in the cultures of the Arctic natives. These animals are a symbol of strength and endurance and play an important role in the stories and legends of the natives of these regions. Also, the polar bear is known as a symbol of polar regions and preserving the biodiversity of these regions. Conclusion: the polar bear is known as one of the symbols of Arctic wildlife with unique characteristics and special adaptations for living in harsh and cold environments. The protection of this valuable species and its habitats is of great importance and requires global efforts and international cooperation to deal with climate change and other threats. White rhino with a weight of 3,538 kilograms is one of the heaviest animals in the world. White rhinos can be the heaviest animal on the planet, and these heavy animals are considered the second largest animal on Earth. White rhinoceros, which is the heaviest land animal in the world, can be found in different parts of Africa. It can also be said that white rhinos are among the 4 largest species. Number 3. The elephant seal is one of the heavy animals that can weigh up to 4 tons. During the mating season, this animal's nose is inflated and it will have a loud trumpet-like sound that can be heard from far away. In this season, male elephant seals come to the beach and there are usually fierce fights between them. In these conflicts, the elephant that wins becomes the ruler of the beach and builds a harem for itself to house more than 100 female elephants. In the rest of the year, the sea elephant goes to the sea to hunt, and sometimes it goes up to 1 kilometer of water and holds its breath for 20 minutes. These animals hunt day and night in the sea. Northern elephant seals live off the west coast of North America, and southern elephant seals live in the southern hemisphere, including off the coast of Argentina, South Africa, and the Antarctic islands. Breeding season is in winter. After returning to the beach, the females give birth to a young and nurse it for several weeks. During this period, males compete with females for mating. Conservation. Elephant seals were heavily hunted in the past, but are now protected and their populations have recovered. However, climate change and environmental pollution are threats to their future. With their unique appearance and behavior, elephant seals are one of the most interesting marine creatures and play an important role in marine ecosystems. Number 4. User description of elephant. Elephants are one of the largest land animals and are divided into 2 main species, African elephant and Asian elephant. These animals have unique characteristics that distinguish them from other mammals. Some of these features are large size. Elephants are the largest land animals. Male African elephants can weigh up to 6 tons and reach a height of 3.3 meters proboscis. An elephant's proboscis, which is actually a nose and an elongated upper lip, is a multi-purpose tool used for breathing, smelling, drinking water, and even picking up objects. Tusk. Elephants have long, curved teeth known as tusks. These tusks are basically tusks that came out of the elephant's mouth and are used for digging, defense and transporting things. Thick skin. The skin of elephants is thick and wrinkled, which protects them from insects and environmental conditions. This skin is usually gray in color. High intelligence. Elephants are among the most intelligent animals and have complex cognitive abilities. They are able to solve problems, use tools and have complex emotions such as sympathy and grief. Strong memory. Elephants have a very strong memory and can remember the routes and locations of food and water for long periods of time. Social behavior. Elephants are social animals and live in family groups, usually led by an elderly female called a matriarch. Elephants are in danger of extinction due to illegal ivory poaching and destruction of their natural habitats and need more protection and protection. Number 5. The next place in the list of animals in order of weight belongs to the whale, which is actually the first category of the heaviest animals in the world and also the sea. This animal is a type of whale whose weight can reach 219 tons. It is a paired animal of marine mammals belonging to aquatic ecosystems, which has a high distribution. Informally, whales are placed in the subgroup of amphibians, and together with dolphins and porpoises, they are in the group of gastropods. The closest living mammal to the family of these animals is the hippopotamus, which separated from them nearly 40 million years ago. Whales have two main orders, toothless whales and toothed whales. It is believed that these two groups separated from each other 34 million years ago.